I don't know how many times we would run into problems or miscommunications about a bill of materials and what product goes into what. We do kitting too, so we box up a bunch of different products into one. That has been a big deal. We have one particularly large customer that was very, very appreciative of OmegaCube in particular, because we told them we were rolling out ERP and that we were planning to get better at our quality, making sure that we have less recall and less issues. And that bill of materials piece has been really a big deal because, again, everybody can see it. They can go into the system and look up the bill of materials. They can know, exactly. We print out work orders from the system that has the exact part numbers that you're needing to put together. And even our customers have commented on how much less quality issues that we've had because we're not mixing up bill of materials or revisions. That's another thing. So revisions are really big. Making sure that we are using the most up-to-date revision. When I make a new revision, it inactivates the old ones, and then I have this new BOM that is the most up-to-date. And so that's been another critical piece.